that the world should recognize that Biafra nation. Remember, once a nation is being declared from exile, it is no longer a government in exile. Every Lazar office automatically turned to embassy. This time that we had, this festival time, is a time to spread the news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile. Biafra now is a nation in Biafra land. So therefore, anybody still hanging on the platform of government in exile should exist from there. It is no longer government in exile because it has been declared. It is a nation, the United States of Biafra nation. We are here this evening to educate those of you who are ignorant about what you're supposed to do at this time. The distraction should stop. The confusion should end. It's the time where every media handle supposed to focus and spread the good news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile, that Biafra now is.
Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak.
If your hands are not clean, you can't get Biafra. You know that. You can't win. Let me tell you the truth. You have to be whiter than white to get Biafra. Biafra is a spiritual project. It is not something that manifests itself in the temporal until men of honor can carry it, or else it won't come. It will not come. We are uniting families. We are not having a group association meeting. No, we have a family meeting. You have a Biafran family meeting. The name family signifies you must be one with one another. If you say no, we'll remove you. We don't waste time with rubbish people. Your heart must be one, very pure and clean. Only so will Biafra.
You're welcome. You're welcome to my channel. So this is gonna be a straightforward broadcast because I will not waste much time. Okay, we're gonna spend just a couple of maybe 1 hour thereabouts, hopefully maybe 2 hours. But we are coming back because Barrister will be here today. Hopefully, you guys will be here as well. But there's something that pushed me out. I wanted to skip this update, but something pushed me out, and I have to stream now. I didn't plan it, but I have to. Please, if you're watching me, like the video and put your comment. That's the only way for me to know that you are here. That's all the fact. That's the only way. Just a moment. Let me set my WhatsApp. So I greet you guys. I greet everybody. Like I said, I am not going to waste much time. If you miss this live broadcast, you may miss a lot, because this live broadcast will help you to understand what we are complaining about. it will help you. Now, I will start by greeting people on the comment section. I don't joke with people. Those of you that once you receive the notification, you join us and you stick with us. Not in the jump out and jump in group, please. I don't need that. My greetings go to you, Ife Diche, Oche Dike, and we welcome you at Udada, one of us. I greet you, my sister, and Christopher Chuku Emeka is the Chuku, one of us, and our brother BC Ilebo. I see you, Ilebo. You're welcome. And also blessed, our own brother, no other. Martin, I see you. Martinez, greetings to you. Christopher, again, I see you, my brother. And we have Mecca Justin. Mecca Justin, I greet you. That is a guy in Japan. Many have gone in this freedom of command. Okay, this is our freedom. Commander Holy Ghost, may your soul rest in peace. I still feel sometimes like that one day he will surface and the whole story will become a rumor or a lie. Oliver also, I see you. Good afternoon to you. And we have Fred Ndukwe, our brother. I miss your voice. Kekime. Kekime, I greet you. I greet you, my dear. Then again, we have Chim Kans. Who's pumping me with this message? Chim Kansim. Chikansim, I believe. Chim Kasim. I thought I don't know there. Jesus Christ, who is sending me these messages? 9 messages at a go. Hey God. Okay, good afternoon. Good afternoon to you. All right, Emeka. So please, like I told you, I don't want to waste much time. Please, all of you there on the comment section, I greet you, accept my greetings, please. All right. And our spanner holder, one of us is there, Ogwejof, I see you. And Elcom Justin, there will Amechi Jonas, greetings. Frank Ibe, I see you. Oliver Hillary, I see you. So I think who is another person? Petra, I see you. I greet you, Petra. And Chris Gift, there will. All right, Michael Orji, I see you. Stephen, there will. So please accept my greetings, all of you there, and Chiamaka, I believe. Okay, okay. Jim comes. I think I said my greeting already to you. Then we have David. David, I see you. I hope I have not skipped anybody. Please, if I did, if your name is not mentioned, don't feel bad, please. Now, this hour, I would like to share something very, very important with us. And I would like to start with this, okay? Listen. This is from Mazakwa's post. Update that he made. Listen to what he said.
Very, very quickly, before we begin our day, I want to appreciate everyone thus far. Thank you, everyone, for being together with us. I don't know this way this thing is doing my face somehow. Only that the background is not very good, but let me leave it like that. All right, thank you very much. I want to quickly, encourage us again. I want to appreciate those that are joining me this morning. Gladys Pure Hearts, thank you so much for joining me. Calistos Bravo, I see you. Tuxman, I see you. Thank you so much for joining. Obonna Kasmer, one Lincoln, thank you for joining me this morning. Akona, hey, one name is far. We have to grow this far.
Okay.
Let us have this victory so that it will be sweet. There's no need for us to be spoiling people, be condemning people, be painting another narrative. If you don't have anything to say on social media, instead of taking another brother's video to analyze, if you don't have your own word to say, just come out and dance and sing. And don't give message. Because
I honestly, I kind of understand what you are saying. I kind of, like what you are saying. Do you understand? Oh, listen, there's a problem that I have with so many people that are talking about Biafra from fallback republic. They'll be preaching for peace, at the same time calling for war. I don't know if you have noticed that. That's anybody that decided to decamp from USB. The first thing that will make you to understand the person is no longer with USB. That is one of the characteristics. They will be talking about peace at the same time calling for war. Listen to what he's saying here. I don't want to judge him about his life, what he has said in the past. If I begin to play the video now, they will say, "Kai report, you are instigating problem." But let me just focus on what he said today. And this should be a lesson to every other person. If you are angry with your brother, be careful with what you are saying at that point in time, because you may later regret it. That's why I said that this live broadcast, those of you that are here watching live, believe you me, you are not going to regret it. Unless if you are lying to yourself, if you are just a monitoring spirit, you are not here to learn anything or to understand anything, I can't help you. But those of us that have, your mind and your brain is open to learn new things, you are going to appreciate this live stream. Let's get you.
Stop taking Vam video. You want to analyze Vam in this same Finland. Just respect respect 1 week. Respect him just 1 week, and you see how your life will be. Because but it's not going to give you anything. It's only showing that you are not responsible. That's that. You believe more in peace and love. And
okay.
Our brothers in Finland,
now listen,
they did a marvelous work.
Listen.
Mars is fine.
Okay.
Did a wonderful, fantastic job, and he's still doing.
Okay.
Because this kind of post is not good for now. To come and be saying that the people in Finland is fine, is now claiming that they are the only one that have access to the PM and that nobody can see PM except through them. That's not true and that's not correct. Please.
All right. Yesterday, or to some of us, early hour today, DPM made a post, a very short seconds video of Ifeanyi's voice in Mazi, what is the name of Biafra Disunite. Now, nobody drive joy in dragging anybody, but if you listen capacity and Mazakwa, you are not in the state of that grace to advise, to give any advice here. Everywhere was very, very quiet. You and Sana Brawa started talking on social media, calling Ngozi Obianu's name. You guys did everything that you could lay hands on. I'm not saying that this is time to pay back. No. What I'm trying to say is that I agree and I believe that people should calm down now. Okay? I agree. But it is senseless to me that you are giving this advice and you are hugging and pecking people that are after court sitting, they will on their camera. Lazuma. I know you are not a good time with Lazuma. I agree. But the Ifeanyi that you are showering praise, this Ifeanyi cannot take any advice from anybody. In case you don't know who is Ifeanyi, hold on. Where is that video? Just a moment, please. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. Yeah, we are here. That's why we are streaming live. We are streaming live for analysis like this, because this Ifeanyi was spotted here. Where's the Mazako? Where's your video now? I don't have time, please. He was spotted in one of the videos here, claiming that he's I played it yesterday. I'm not gonna lie. And he's here, don't worry, he's here. He's here on the Mazakwa's platform. I just used it a few minutes ago. And okay. Is all that down? Is all that down? He was saying that this is Ifai, the Ifai, the ghost man. I know where he got that word from. He got it from this channel. But when I look at it, watch this video, please. Watch this video. This is yesterday.
Just to show you guys that we have come once again.
Day before is that Day before is the third.
We have had the first section, and this we are waiting for the second section. It will take place now. June here. Just keep the fire burning. Keep the fire burning. Their friends are here. Their friends are here. Ify.
Now this is Ify. I showed you this guy yesterday. I don't know him personally. This guy did not do anything wrong to me personally. I don't have any problem with him. He's not my enemy. But it's always good for you to identify something that is wrong, okay, and say it the way it is. I'm not saying people should go and buy him. No. What I'm saying is that he should correct himself. He should retrieve his bad steps. This is the guy that made some gullible people believe that DPM can never go to Finland. DPM don't want to go to Finland. DPM don't want to associate herself with the PM. DPM is this, DPM is that, without knowing the reason why that is so, without bothering to understand. Maybe he do know, but he twisted it. He just want to use that as a weapon of warfare, as a weapon of warfare. That DPM is a problem to PM. That's the reason why they keep on singing that she can never go to Finland, including Mazakwa. And the person that put that into Mazakwa's mind, this guy, this Ify, he lives in Finland. So whatever he said, you will be tempted to believe that. He did everything possible best to make sure that he deceived some people. I was told that he appeared in Kenena's platform. What do you think he went there to do? He knows, because that's not honest, and he chose where he want to go and all that, which is good. But going there to do what? To say something that has something to do with the reality on ground. This Ify has made some kind of claims that is shocking. Remember when DPM posted a picture of her, a picture of DPM with the one powerful car and all that, said that this is my second time in Finland. When she made that post, this Ify rushed out and said that she was not in Finland. Then we started asking, okay, if DPM is not in Finland, why would she make such post? What is her intention to make a post that she's in Finland when she's not in Finland? Somebody, at her level, is not expected to make this kind of cheap comment that will turn out to be lie. That's why we said, no, there's no way this will be like this. Why will this guy be the problem, always twisting words? Whether DPM when it was in Finland or not, you are trying to tell us that there's no way she will be in Finland, that if you want to see PM, you must go through him. Mazakwa has said this in the past, too. Mazakwa have reiterated the same word, though. But now, Mazakwa is not trying to tell you that, no, that is not true. Mazakwa said that it's not a must that you go through Ify. Ify was very, very close to Mazakwa. Now, Ikuku Naha that one has overthrown Mazakwa from where Ify is. That could be the reason why Mazakwa realized, oh, it is not true. Do you understand? Mazakwa used to quote this guy, used to make this kind of claim that you must go through Imam Madhabu. Imam Madhabu is the right channel. Without CRC, nobody go to PM. Have you forgotten? Now, Ifa is no longer that attached to Mazakwa and Imam Madab. Ifa is now working direct to Ikuku Naha and using some platform of Ikuku Naha. Ifa tried to use Kenena platform, which of course saw how he succeeded. Then, which is good, I'm not against it. Then Ifa is now using Ikuku Naha, okay, to push this narrative that as a man, somebody that is there. But I have already detected the kind of person that he is. He's that kind of person that if you praise him because he has some spirit of ego. I can sense ego in him. He have that spirit of egoism. Do you hold me? Do you know me? I am this and that. Mazakwa used to quote him direct that DPM can never be in Finland. One of the worst that PM would like to set his eyes on is DPM. Everything started from this Ifai. Now, this Ifai until this moment is still making the same claim. He's still making the same claim. Now, hear him again. Here, watch this video before we go back to the.
Fire bombing. Their friends are here. Their friends are here.
Now, did you hear Lasuba voice in the background? Like, you couldn't net it, because they will call him, though we are here, we'll come and stream more, we're giving you life updates. So if I would Nebuga as someone that has the right source and all that, listen.
This is ghost.
Did you hear what he said? This is if I able ghost. Because maybe that's why he then agreed to front his face on the camera, because I said that no wonder you and Ikukuna is hiding masquerading. That is what ghosts do. I didn't say that. I didn't call him ghost like he died or what he died. No, I said ghost that you can't see it. It must be special being to see it. Maybe that. But he did not show his face. That is if I have a ghost. And they can because these are people now quite for these women. Now quite said these people that you know they are not representing anything. I wonder, no matter how many different flags that you carry on your hands, that does not give you freedom. There's a step. That's what is called multi-video conversion, which Nkiru highlighted, mentioned on her post yesterday. And according to her, that in few days to come, that PM according to Nkiru said, I am just realizing that PM was not given chance to represent himself, to present himself, or to make a speech or present his case in the first trial, which took place last year. But he's gonna, to this moment, PM got chance to do so. And he's going to move to multi-video conversion. He's gonna tell court his intention, his plan, and the step that he's taking with document that like PM told us that until you generate this document, everything you are doing is just playing. You have to generate this document. He said it. Then Nkiru is somehow celebrating that document. The question is, who is now holding the document? Who has attended to that document, to that step, because PM is working with the template. That template is not about how many people that you mobilize and how many lies you can tell, or how many flags that you manage to hold at the same time, and how many times you are able to shout all head Biafra. No, it has to do with internationally organized procedures to get it. Can you show us what you have done? There's a reason why IPOB SQJ couldn't do anything other than to mobilize, rally around, protest, carry flag, go back and sleep, wake up, collect money, donate money. There's a reason why they live their own life like that. That's the reason. They are unable to dictate any template to follow. Master cannot realize that I cannot start following any template with this kind of people, with this kind of their crazy mentality. That was why he said, I am looking for 100 men. If Master had not mentioned that kind of thing, that I'm looking for 100 men, someone like me would have believed that Master don't know template to follow. But the moment he said it, what that means is that I know the template to follow, but I don't have people that are well informed to follow it. Do you understand? So let's continue.
Live and direct. You can wave your flag. Yes. Optimistic. Oh, yes. You be easy. You will be a fan. It will be a fan. Yeah. It just be easy. That's right. Yes. That's good. But this is just briefly waiting until our Prime Minister comes to join us. In the court.
Okay. So just a moment. Let me know. Let me attend to. Just a moment. Let me attend to my baby. I'll be right. Okay, sorry about that. We are back. We are back. Now, let's continue. I'm going to move to the other video. Okay, I'm going to move to the other video, which is the one we were playing before, which is of course today's video of Mazakwa, and so we can hear what he said, somehow contradicting what he used to say in the past. But I've told you the reason why it is so, because the ball has shifted somehow from his own corner, and all of a sudden he realized that this is the way to behave and all that. Okay, so please, if you have not liked the video, I don't know your problem, please like the video, click on the like button, please. Very, very important that you do so. Now let's listen to this.
The stage I am Ekpa, the stage where we are now, if you did not know before, you need to know now that what has brought us this far is truth. We have to grow this far. Bikono. Can you suko no? Can you make on? Can you win me Let us have this victory so that it will be sweet. There's no need for us to be spoiling people, be condemning people, be spending another narrative. If you don't have anything to say on social media, instead of taking another brother's video to analyze, if you don't have your own word to say, just come out and dance and sing and play over the message. Bikono. Stop taking Vam video. You want to analyze Vam in this same in this same Finland. But guys, yesterday just respect respect 1 week. Respect him just 1 week, and you see how your life will be. Because from morning till night, but it's not going to give you anything. It's only showing that you are not responsible. That's that. He lives in peace and love. And our brothers in Finland, they did a marvelous work. Mazi Fine did a wonderful, fantastic job, and he's still doing. Because this kind of post is not good for now. To come and be saying that the people in Finland is now claiming that they are the only one that have access to the PM and that nobody can see PM except through them. That's not true and that's not correct.
Just note that one. I want you to let this sink in your mind. Mazaka have confirmed that what if I said yesterday is not true. Remember, both of them are staying in Finland. Okay? I'm going out together, everything, but he managed to say the truth. Why? Because Ifai is none with Ikukuna. You see it now. And it's always like that. Mazaka forgot that he used to say the same thing that Dalifa is saying now. I'm saying this not for you to hate anybody or like anybody. All I want you to know is the truth. Just know the truth. Because when we criticize Mazakwa when he was saying that, some of you feel like you are attacking him because it's not in USB. It's not about that. It's about saying the truth. Igbo tere aka wee ndị ọjọọ so. Ị na-aghọta? Oge ọbụla ị nọgide kwụnye ọtọ, o ebe chọrọ ịga nọ. They are saying those things because there's something they want to achieve. And what is that? Relevancy. They want to present themselves as people who are actually in control and in charge. They know what they're doing. Listen, please.
Please. Because you know, when I got to Finland, the people I even got very close to are the USB people. I got very close to them, and I wanted them to know that this love, we need to build it together. Let me hear what I yesterday go around one time. PM have said, do not go on social media and be raging war. Please.
Now, like I said, you know me, I'm a very people think that I'm a tough person when it comes to giving second chance and forgiving people. Mazakwa, listen, left me alone, I will forgive you, but I will tell you what to do before I forgive you. You have to go to your platform. Every video that you have said about Biafran, you follow Biafrans. Okay? And I'm going to mention one now. I don't even want you to delete it for references. But guess what? I've already saved it in my archive. So but I didn't save it, you know, for propaganda. See, the moment that video came out, I have not used it on any of my live programs. Please don't bother about my camera. I am here with my landlady, so we are broadcasting together, please. Okay? So anybody that knows, that follow me here, will testify that I've never used the video of Butozo, that audio message where he said some unprintable things against DPM. Mazakwa, you have used that many times. Today, you also use videos and say a lot of things. Many things which I don't want to start calling now. Go to your platform, begin to delete those ones. Most especially those, not about other. I'm not saying you should delete anything you said about another person. The one I care is the one you said about DPM. Whatever you said about me breaking egg, you know, you don't call my name much, to be honest with you. But whatever that you have said about other people, I don't give a damn. That's between you and them. But is it DPM? Because I said it earlier, attacking DPM is just like attacking PM. People say, oh, who is that shameless woman, like we normally call her, that shameless woman, that Akunike, that, come on. Mazaka, you said a lot of things, so many things. So, like I said, this is not the time to judge you, but the time to remind you that making peace is to show, you have to show, you know, sign of remorse. People need to see how remorseful you are before taking you serious. I don't want to say that I don't want to start counting on how you can pay restitution, but restitution, you know, that depends on. I don't have right to tell you what to do, but what I'm just suggesting. USB, since day one, is not your enemy. Nobody is your enemy. If in case you have noticed that, what you actually hate is this unnecessary lies, acting as if you want to get special things. Because it's not done on you now that all these things that you have been saying all this while doesn't really make sense. Ikuku Naha is still worrying in shame and darkness. He will still come back later and begin to talk about this peace and calmness and all that. But the level of attack and insult that you have professed with your mouth is still playing in many people's mind. Okay, and if any slightest step that you may take, any wrong step that you took now or you take now, people it will remind us this of the past. Like I said, this is not an attack on anybody, but to remind you that things has gone wrong. And the idea of overlooking, you want people to overlook things and all that, you know. USB, I understand that this man of a thing, I'm a man, I've contributed in your activities, and somehow, if I get a check and all that, Okay, because I always remind us, Master Duncan said it, and a hungry man cannot fight for freedom. I'm not saying you are hungry, Master. I'm talking even to myself. I'm talking to myself. Those of you that are somehow in contact with me, maybe you have noticed that when it comes to money, kind of report, let us hold this money for. I don't want to get involved because they're gonna murder down. I don't want to start holding money that warrant me to start, saying truth to God that I did not take 1 cent. I don't want it. I don't want my name to be mentioned in monetary aspect. If you want to give me money, I will accept it. That you want to say, help me, you want to, support me, I will accept it willingly. But the idea of, okay, let me be coordinator, let me raise, no. I can help you to talk about it, but when it comes to where to put that money, I will run for 40 because ego Biafra the Garos. In case I want them around.
If you are APN, if you are DPN, if you are BN, all of you are Biafrans.
Wow.
Let me repeat myself. If you are DPN, if you are APN, if you are BN, all of you are what? Biafrans.
Okay.
Should I repeat myself? If you are DPN, if you are APN, if you are BN, I mean Biafrans.
I agree.
And my young big gold. DPM, big go, APM, big go, PM, na your big go. Can you see her?
Mazakwe was already like APM. I understand that you see hope that Ogekere will turn back. The only thing that will revive Ogekere is PM himself, which I will be shocked that after Toto Ogekere, I didn't notice that back. The only person that have gone astray is Ogekere. Far away. That to me, I don't think there's any remedy. Maybe there's a remedy, but I don't think so. So, Masakwa, if you can stand like this, okay, I'm not here to dictate for Biafra. Some of our brothers will be kind of no. This guy should put to so okay. I can't doubt you. Like we treat our, we react on issues differently. That is why our face is very, very unique. We are all beautiful, handsome. Okay, we are all beautiful, handsome, but with a different look. Okay, God made us in a different way, and we react differently. So listen. I swear, pure honorable game. Mana, if you're gonna buy some people aja, if they will mean or the one more now, or the one man. I can if over Basaro or Bara, you can lead the life of Manaka no commander on here. And you see, all this idea of this, can't go in Kebezu. Will you feel it in here? Some of you who do not have like this that one is quite irritating now. In this middle of this guy is trying to run propaganda. I hardly differentiate Lazuba from Biafra Disunite. Very, very shameful. Very, very, very disgusting. And he's not even ready to, because him I wanted about that is all over that. If they want to commit crime, Hanabado can commit a crime, you can believe that nobody know them. You know what I mean? Just like Goshi. And I'm robber wearing face masks, believing that my face will not be recognized and all that. They can tie people, they can, because to them, there's no judgment. In our water, even a home mask. Tomorrow, say, man, hey, man, catch a how are you digging about? They born a in our water. That's why they put on masks. So, if you're not afraid of anything, be afraid of Oizoriria. He can, that is, Ligi Bam Bam, Ligi Vam Vam Vam. Mechagi, coaching the word defendment, through the word defendment because you don't know him. Oya Buchele Ginaban. Guy, the money see you and those in came make ya. This time, Robert, how an alpha locan denka, or put it through Ganaban. Or you push it through Ganaban, now be organ in no. Okay, Marco, whatever naga.
What even lawful? Please go with me. What even lawful? Go to DPM. There are full PM man so much. But the DPM, that one, be concerned about PM, and I'm happy about that. That one, I'm happy.
Mazakwa, if assuming that I have your phone number, I would have called you and I tell you you are my brother. Ima, what did he got? Even him joy bezuku. That's my problem with people. You know what? So all of this why, if not this concern about the PM, so it must not all the concern. It has been like that. Man, I do to one or two things. In my family, is a now about that. You have somehow moved away, maybe an inch from cheap gossip, street gossip. Ima, some of our brothers that are here that are following me here, you don't understand what happened behind the scene. You don't understand. People will call you, begin to give you information that never exists, and make it look like that it matters a lot. The truth of the matter is that those things that they're telling you has nothing to do with what you need, because do you know that unshakable PM circle, unshakable triangle they just formed it to rubbish people that follow DPM. Because I go shock somehow. Let me ask you, what is the purpose of PUC? Like the job of what is the motive of creating PUC? Because they are not fighting for freedom. They will publicly tell you one-on-one, like direct, that this is not about agitating group, it's about PM welfare. Okay. The same PM welfare, you know that you don't have audience, then what is the essence of forming group for PM welfare? What is can you organize fundraising? No. Are you financially strong to do it? No. Then what is the essence of forming the group? The group is to make you believe that US government cannot do anything. Let's try as if you can do something. At the end of the day, it is a group formed to counter the stand and motive of USB, knowing fully well that this USB, no matter how you want to look at it, the trial of PM cannot be concluded without mentioning their friend declaration. Got mark it somewhere. Please get with me.
But pray with me. I may pretend now that I'm not on the side of the so related to me as brothers. But this post, I don't know. Let me show you what I'm talking about very, very quickly. I'm about it, but my attention was brought to it, and I just wanted to show us that we don't need.
Okay, from DPM progress from DPM.
Even PM, my room now, I don't feel that I came into the courtroom. Didn't hear PM say anything about APM or DPM, or he is the PM. So he never said, you know, that DPM, and when he do them, on the APM, and when he do it is the PM of everyone. And I'm happy that the DPM acknowledged it, don't you PM. So that one you would remove your first. So listen to this.
Okay, no, you are still. I understand that it is not. It is normal when you've gone astray and want to retrieve your steps. You will do everything to lay hands on something that you can use as an excuse, like Master Prophet is doing. You know that no mazu church before deceive on camera. All this is just babadash. The truth is the truth. You have seen the light. You want to understand the situation. I respect. I cannot use it against you. No. It is expected. It is what's supposed to be done. And because this is not the first time, all the posts of DPM, she always acknowledge PM as PM. There's not PM. Do you know that DPM as a DPM is a stress? Like her position is a problem to her. She's not doing it because she's not getting it. No, she's not getting looking for for popularity. No. That is very huge different. You know, but no time is late. No time is late. He left for Biafra and PM. Of course, with DPM, everyone to react on their own. But to me, once you can confess that Jesus is Lord, then you're my friend. You're my friend.
From DPM. Please, with due respect, I had a now the 5 PM's appeal in Finland. For the fact no also got no PM's appeal. So and what go we at least your man had that job also know the 5 of second PM or S.
You see, you are deceiving your audience again. Mazakwa, like I'm not gonna angry, I will not be angry with you because I believe that your deliverance is still on the on the way. You are not, it's not yet concluded. Like I told the Master Prophet and this Nafab was a different DOS now. Your deliverance, allow it to complete before you begin to analyze, because when you, for you to use this statement that you just made now, you can only use it if DPM normally use that kind of statement. Oh, for our former DPM or Mr. Ekpa, like Sana Barawa, or Mr. Njoko, or that our brother in Finland in prison, you know who I'm talking about. Yeah, the guy that called himself DPM. Never, ever, no matter the push, no matter the the anger, no matter the everything that you guys are trying to. Do you know the insult, the degradation, the humiliation, the disrespect? Oh, that's a word I'm looking for, of course, which is insubordination. Everything you guys unleash it on DPM. To the extent that even me here, Kai Report, or sometimes not even one or two, I've said it many times that if I would happen to be in her position, I will wash my hands off and go. You see? That is why I don't have the charisma to lead, because DPM do. I don't have that thick skin to receive insult like that without bouncing back on you. I may sound gentle, but when it comes to this kind of insult, I will invent my own anger on you. That is where maybe, yeah, that shows that I'm not, I don't have the grace. I keep on telling you guys. But guess what? DPM is DPM. Go back. One thing about her, she don't delete posts. She don't delete posts. You can go back as 2025, December 2024, or January 2025. In fact, go to March. Every month of the year, the whole 25, she has never made. Remember, we focus on her broadcast and reaction on her account too. So I can tell you, this is somebody that I don't pass a day. How many of you can say that? I don't spend one day without visiting DPM handle for you to know that how gloomed I have been to her platform. So you understand. So anybody, you are not in a position to tell me what DPM posts. I honestly, with all due respect, sir, I am the one to tell you what happened on her handle. That's why none of you have any reason to justify your action. I'm sorry to say that. It is better you said, I got it wrong. I'm sorry, my people. Please pardon me. You see, Mazakwa, your behavior in Finland, I'm one of those. The only person that gave you accolade before me, I don't need to hide it, is Progress the Analyst, because she reacted on your video before me. But after watching your video and what you have done, I say, no. Mazakwa, if you can continue this way, then you may go far. There's no need to fight anybody. But this, do you know that one lie you tell can destabilize the mindset of many people? And that's a no-no for me. And I believe it's a no-no for many Biafrans, many Igbo. Our people, see, we are not known for covering stupidity. Many of us are highly principled. We are not rich. Some of us are very highly. You see, they say Igbo people love money. No. You can say some Igbo people love money. Some Yoruba do. Some Bidi people do. Many of us, we don't have money, but we cannot sell our conscience for money. How about it? Mazmakani is an example. That not even Northerners, not even a imam, not even pastor, priest, bishop, and cardinals, they cannot provide one priest. It is very difficult. You must be a prayerful person. The only person as a Catholic that I can tell you that the person who is not going to fall for money so cheaply, or so cheap like other people, maybe that is going to, of course, reject things like Mazakana has done. I will tell you Fadambaga, because I know. You see, but I cannot say that even to my own bishop. You understand? Even my own, I can't say that to my bishop. That is to tell you that It's not about your religion, it's about how principled you are. Are you disciplined enough? And for you to be for you to be disciplined, you must live by example. You must have passed through a lot. You must be the one to train yourself. These are things you need to understand in life. You cannot just wake up and say, I want to be like this without passing through some trials and temptations. Can you enjoy it? No. It's not easy. It is quite difficult. So let's go back to the video, please. And if you are just joining us, please, I welcome you. And my video is not yet out. It was out, but because I'm here with my landlady is here with me, broadcasting together. I don't want her voice, so I have to sacrifice this for her to come down and allow me to do what I'm supposed to do. Now, hear this.
Day 5 of PM's appeal in Finland. That one should come you to know that now there is respect for PM. So don't carry your camera and say, hey, terrorist organization. You don't do that.
Thank you.
No. PM doesn't want you to do that.
Thank
and
you.
Of course, you can see that even DPM is not doing that. But misinformation is what must not be, encouraged. Now, the appeal process on USB PM, Simon Ekpa, continue today.
And now he said, because he said USB PM, he still don't believe it. That's why he said, don't worry. You are going to believe in Mazakwa. Like I said, I thank God for this day. Listen, Mazakwa. Don't worry, I'll be calling you Mazakwa because it's a personal note, on a personal note, not about Biafra. You called my name break eggs, so you are Mazakwa. You should accept it, okay, until you do what you're supposed to do. Which is, I'm not actually angry to this guy. Like, as long as you can do something good, it's not about me. I don't want to say, no, kick him away. No. If you can be nice, even though the only thing I can advise PM or whoever is in charge is not to bring you in to give you posts that is beyond you, because it is now time to measure people. You have before they give you clothes, they have to measure your size. Because some of you, your problem is that you are in a position that you are not supposed to be. Like Lazarus. Lazarus is not supposed to know even those that are in the cabinet, let alone joining any WhatsApp group that has to do with the government. Lazarus is supposed to be just a very, very flawed. Like, let on me, I will tell you, Lazarus is supposed to be kicked out from anything legislation. But yeah, so your reaction and your body language now shows that you don't. He said USB PM. He is USB PM, and you are going to understand. Even you, Naki Jinan, you still understand. You still join USB, and that's what is expecting. Whether you are going to continue holding position or not, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I'm not in a position to tell what, but my advice is no. You should remain in media. Okay, just be in the media, not as a honorable. No, just be maybe one of the media. Just one of the media.
Now, the fact that USDPM is being used should not get you offended. Don't worry. You all know that it is PM. It is PM, PM, everybody, PM, Biafrans. By you can say that bridge, then PM can also hear everything in me. United States of Biafra possesses a distinct, non-negotiable local standing as a functional administrative entity whose head of government, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, does that not encourage you? No, Prime Minister can't go here. But the Prime Minister, that one should encourage you. Was abruptly and arbitrarily removed from his human rights and organizational duties prior to the restoration of independence. They got go on point, okay, on a well. Now, that's no, even that fighting spirit to get this post. Okay, calm down, now calm it down. Very important.
Very important. Okay.
The most important thing now, and you open up PM Muslim PM saying I am begging you in the name of Tuko. All right, I continue. This appeal and case must be terminated immediately and Simon Ekpa released. This case is politically motivated, lacks merit and jurisdiction. Is she not correct? 100% correct. So why must you now come and attack because of this? This one we don't need to attack. If there's anything you don't, you will politely address it. But this one, 100% correct. This appeal and case must be terminated immediately. And Simon Ekpa, the PM, released. This case is politically motivated, which you and I agree. And the case lacks merit, of which if you enter inside the courtroom, you will see that there is a bunch of non-merited, accusations they are using against PM, of which I am sure, because PM is on the side of good, PM is going to win it. Believe me. On a different note, okay, it has come to the notice of the government that one Ekpa in Finland has claimed on a social media platform attached exhibit that nobody will see PM in Finland without passing through him. This one is the one I want to say, Biko DPM Operezio. Ekpa did not say that. Ekpa is not portraying that. Ekpa is not. In fact, the DPM need to be appreciative of Ekpa and the Finland family. You need to appreciate Ekpa because Ekpa is making sure that everything went well. Ekpa is making sure that everyone is happy. Ekpa is making sure that PM is out. Please, this kind of suggestion, it's not going to help in any way. Neither will it help you, nor will it help PM, whom you are outrightly defending here. Please, let us just leave that ego. Let's leave that power. Let us know that whether you are DM, you are DPM, you are APM, PM.
It's okay. Can you scroll down? Let's, because I have seen this post. I read it in the morning and I reserved it for this program. But surprise, he's here. I didn't, because I've not watched this video. This is video. I didn't watch it. He made it just few hours, I think in the morning as well, a few hours ago. But him saying what he's saying here now, let me not talk. Let's see if he will go down, because DPM did not just talk, he provided evidence. I'm surprised that he's quoting DPM out of context. Watch.
Focus now because so Ekpa is not doing that. If there's anywhere you see any of those kind of narrative, please throw it into the dustbin, even if it is showing evidence to that fact. Please, for the sake of PM, if what they told you or what you hear from Ekpa in Finland is suggesting what you just said in this post, please, for the sake of the love you have for PM, just leave it up here, because already, like in the court yesterday, I was not there. Ekpa was there, and the 4 other people who came outside of Finland were there. So, and if Ekpa is there representing you, DPM, don't make that post so that the people that believe you, that are following you, will not misunderstand it and now come and see Ekpa as an enemy. As far as this thing is concerned, in Finland, no Biafran is an enemy to each other.
No, as of today, Ekpa is an enemy. I'm saying it on air. Until he do something good, I will come here and tell you. As he made himself as an enemy. And anyway, myself, I know that you are no longer in Finland, because since you were not in the court yesterday, according to you were there yesterday. Are you not? What is going on? Okay, let's continue.
Oh, I don't know how else to explain it. As far as this PM freedom is concerned, no Biafran is an enemy to each other. As long as we get into that court, our focus is PM must defeat the zoo with every of his evidence. Okay. Just 2 minutes. Just 4 minutes to finish your
Okay, he's back in his base. That's why I can hear him speaking in Italo.
So, perché deve andare a lavoro subito. Grazie. Deve andare a lavoro subito adesso. Grazie. Okay, so please, I am begging you. This man distracted me, but I need to focus. He said I should calm down and bring down my voice, you see? And I'm disturbing people because it's raining. I am under their building, and then I need to really also calm down. But no, sometimes I'm so because if I and every one of them in Finland have built this protest and made us have a good protest. It's making us have a good appealing ambience. Please, I lost my line of thought. Let us keep that unity. Nobody in that court, nobody coming from prime minister is an enemy to each other. Even if the person is coming from any angle and you think that person is coming with an evil intention against PM, don't worry, because already there is security.
Okay, if I swear, if we do not scroll this video down and play the if we do not scroll down, and there's a very short video attached to this. This write-up that you just read now. No, myself. I know that the deliverance just kicked in, and I believe long may it last. But not this time. No. You cannot just go halfway like this. The post that DPM made there, she actually posted it twice, and each of them has a very short. I'm going to go to the DPM handle, please don't worry. A very short video. You are going to listen to that, but I want myself. Let's see how he ended this, because come on.
Security camera, security everything. Nobody will do any harm to PM. I am not validating in God's anything. I am validating PM. You people should don't keep quiet and stop talking rubbish. Please don't validate Ngozi at any cost. God, or good or bad, talking about Ngozi is shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth and get out of my platform. Just shut up your mouth. You don't know anything. Shut up your mouth and get out of this platform. You don't know anything. I'm not validating Ngozi. If there's anybody that will tell you anything about that, it is me, not you. Don't shut up and disappear. If you make that comment again, I will block you. People like you are people I will block. PM said, no, I am telling the DPM, but please, do not make any post that will divide us further. That's what I'm saying. So, making that post about divide, okay, I'm going to block you now. I'm going to block you now. You are an idiot. I'm blocking you. So now, after you, you're a madman.
Man, don't worry, I will subscribe for you in replacement of that idiot. I will subscribe for you. Listen, play that video known as this post in here. There's a very short, although 1 minute. Because you just said no, that is not true. That's not true. That means you are trying to tell people that DPM lied. She didn't lie, and she actually didn't understand that people like you will come to this post and they react and deny. Biafra Unite Okuroku platform active, and the video is there. Last time the same if I made a post, which you yourself, and the video is still in your platform, you are that shameless woman. Look at that. If I you remember DPM also caught your own conversation with Ifai. The same thing that Ifai is not doing with my Biafra Disunite. So Ifai committed, this is not the first time he's committed this crime, claiming that he's in charge, and he's made that one on your own platform, Mazakwa. And DPM caught that part and posted it. Do you understand? So don't act as if you don't know what is going on. You say you started by saying you can pretend to be something. Yeah, I know you are pretending. And what I'm saying is I'm also pretending by praising you. Because I can't validate you just because we made one vote. No, that is not me. So every time I'm saying here, it's just because of what you said initially. I heard it clear. You said that you can pretend just to make this peace. I don't believe in peace that come from out of pretense. No, that is not peace. It's better for me that you tell me you just made your stand that this is what you believe. I will respect you on that, as long as you can live without bothering me. Listen.
So making this kind of post is going to divide us further. So please, I am begging you, I'm begging you, DPM, because don't divide, do everything. Already, people came and they came with USB mantra. Fine and good, let it be. Let it be. Whatever narrative anybody wants to post or say, leave it aside now. Do you think So don't come here and tell me any trash. Don't validate anybody. Are you the one that to tell me who to validate? PM have said it and I'm obeying PM. This claim is false. No individual, no group, no state officer has the right or power to control, block, gatekeep, or charge for access to PM. Nobody is charging for access to PM. Nobody. If I is not charging for access to PM, nobody in Briggy, nobody in USB, nobody in Finland is charging for access to PM. Please, this narrative must not go further. Nobody. So in case DPM, in case if there's anybody giving you the wrong information, in case anybody is giving DPM a wrong information, that person should stop. Because the DPM who is admitting here that PM is her organ, DPM is admitting that PM is her organ. At least, shouldn't you appreciate that? So in case you are out there calling DPM and giving her a wrong information about what is going on in Finland, this is from that church. I know somebody will still take this my video and go and use it to do program. Instead of you to analyze and bring people together, you will still take this my video, put it there, and say, bam, is not supporting you, XP. Bam, is not supporting you, bam. Some of you should use your head. And then some Biafrans will still gather there and say, hey, I said it all, yeah, you XP come. Use your head. Even PM, who is hugging everybody, greeting everybody, telling you to stop, is using his head. Every Biafran is, they are subject to him. Because stop all this narrative so that go away behind you. Yeah, you don't have information more than me. So please calm down. In Finland, prison visits for remand prisoners are approved only by Finnish prison services and by PM himself. Now, the visit of PM is essentially approved by prison services. If you go to prison services and they approve for you to see PM, no problem. If the PM approve for you to come and see, no problem. If you find it also approved for you to see PM, no problem. So why are you fighting? If, for example, somebody told you that if I said it is himself that will approve for you to see PM, and then you find out otherwise that you can actually go to the prison and see PM, then why are we creating animosity here? We don't need it. Honestly, we don't need it. So please, I don't need to read further. You can see that post, but the reason why I'm bringing this post is for me to let you guys know that the division must stop correct, and unity must be our focal point, and our PM's appeal to be victorious must be our watchword.
Okay, he don't want to read further. Let us go to that post without any delay. So just bear with me because Let's go to the post. Let's go and see if it's worth reading or not. Let's you know me. I know they hide my own feelings. I don't know how to hide feelings. Okay, I think I wonder how he managed to. Where did he even get? Did he made a post without attaching the video, or he carefully refused to bring the video up, or something like that? And I believe he must have seen the whole thing. Masako, you need to go back there. You have to go back there to see things, because DPM made a post 2 times and each of them has the same video. In fact, let me bring it up. Both of them has the same video. So here, this is it. Let's go through that. Okay, this is the DPM handle. Let me go to handle direct, live on air. Okay, now this is what you are seeing now is DPM handle. Yeah, I hope it's coming out. Yeah, it's coming out. So this post is what Mazakwa just read now. It's already this one. Then we come down here, the same post again. Okay, you see, this is the clip that is attached to this post. Mazakwa carefully played, read the post and refused to play the voice of Ifai himself. Saying that, we heard him saying that, no, DPM is not true, it's not true. He accepts that Ifai cannot be the one dictating who's CPM or not. But Ifai was caught on a live camera, on the video, okay? Saying in mass, in a reference disunite program. Let's go through it. The 5 PM's appeal in Finland, okay, appeal process for USB Prime Minister Ekpa continued today. That was yesterday. Today is day 6. Okay. The United States of Biafra possesses a distinct non-negotiable locus standing as a functioning administrative entity whose head of government, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, was abruptly and arbitrarily removed from his human rights and organizational duties prior to the redeclaration of independence. This appeal and case must be terminated immediately and Simon Ekpa released. This case is politically motivated, lacks merit and jurisdiction. On a different note, okay, it has come to the notice of the government that one Ekpa in Finland has claimed on a social media platform attached exhibit said that nobody will see the PM in Finland without passing through him. This claim is false. No individual, no group, leader, or no state officer has the right or power to control, block, gatekeep, or charge for access to PM Simon Ekpa. In Finland, prison visit for remand prisoner are approved by only one, Finland, the Finnish prison services, and by Prime Minister Simon Ekpa himself. USB. So when he got to here, he said he don't want to read it again. Okay, he said that's not. He said he don't want to read it again. USB government does not collect money for visits and does not give any exclusive right to arrange visits. If anyone threatens you, asks you for money, or says you must be loyal to them, to CPM, please do not argue with them. Quietly save the message and report confidentially to USB legal desk, the number here, or to the prison authority. You see the reason why he don't want to read it, because he don't want to use the platform to pass such information. We will handle it legally in Finland. Okay, he don't want to read it according to him. We must remain united, law-abiding, and focus on Latin. Gatekeeping PM is illegal. PM is illegal and not authorized. Okay, gatekeeping PM is illegal. Gatekeeping PM is illegal and not authorized. That's gatekeeping. That's blocking people from CPM, dictating who is going in and who is not going in, and all that. Is that it is illegal and is not authorized. That is what he said here. Then here you cannot see this. Now listen to that audio that he. Pay attention.
My peace is too cost. If you know that one.
Are you hearing it now?
Nobody should push me. I will come out and say everything I know. And they know that I'm not going to state. Last time they sent the link that anybody wants to go and so well, I was is there. Who I want to take that for my birthday.
Also, blessed, thank you so much.
Except one or two persons. Apart from that, you must come through, you must pass through me. You must must. Anybody not qualified should be very, very careful. Nobody. My peace is too cost. My peace is too cost.
Anybody not qualified should be very, very careful. My peace is too cost. That is if I that this guy is defending. Then if I don't mean anything, then they go against. If you know that word in use, because this is not the full video. I don't know what he said. The word that he's talking about. Nobody should push me. I will come out and say everything I know. If you can't what if I know that, I don't know what he said. Please, if you know what he said there, please let me know. I don't understand that at all. Let me, listen.
Last time they said everything I know, and they know that I'm not going to last time they sent the infant their link that anybody want to go and so well.
He's now questioning the link that DPM dropped, that people should come. If you want to visit PM, you should follow the link and apply. Okay? Or you want to speak to PM, follow the link and apply and all that. He said that how many people have visited PM, because he believed that you cannot visit PM without him. He believed that he's the only man there. Masakwa is countering it, but Masakwa refused to. Masakwa said that DPM lied. But the video is dead. Masaka played that video. He refused to go down. Why? Oh, when the guy got forward, the guy is here. Before he got forward, the guy must pass through me. Oh, now I'm going to go forward. This guy now is except that means no when the guy forward without your presence there. The guy ever.
Before you got forward to except one or two persons that are forward to there. Apart from that, you must come through, you must pass through me.
You must pass through me. It is a must that you have to go through me before you got forward to there. On Ababa. So this is what happened, and like I said, pretending to be what you are not is not going to help anybody. And it's not going to help you, and it's not going to help anybody. I mean anybody. There's no way to help anybody. Always accept the fact. Don't give room for that stupidity, because you will end up regretting everything. Do you understand? You end up regretting everything. So we are going to move to another thing, because time with the and like I said, if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Let us know what you think about all we are discussing here this hour. Something happened. You remember the video of Lazuba where he said where she talked about her activities with Ekpa in Finland, whether it is true or fake. This is one of the reasons why, if you're actually serious about freedom, anything, you need to meet Lazuba and stop her from anything freedom, because she's not representing anybody. She is not representing anybody. I mean anybody. And look at how the whole thing has turned out to be. So we are going to move to another thing. Our second, this is the second phase of this live stream. We're going to move there now, and please watch this. No, start from beginning.
And co, we the Umwadi is addressing all of you. This is going to also be the last time we the Umwadi we mention your name. Except no Nalungani, Kunusueputa. I am standing on behalf of all the Igbo women. I am standing on behalf of every girl Igbo child. I am standing on behalf of all the women from the Igbo land. We the Igbo women, we the Igbo girl child, we the Igbo maidens will not address you and your cohorts again. This message is going to be the first and the last. Because of course, not forget the old shoe. Where can you buy new one? Not forget the old shoe. Where can you buy new shoe? Chizomofebu, don't forget the old shoe. Where you wear, go buy your new shoe. Chizomofebu aki jele. Camilla not get a wardrobe, but Camilla they change clothes like person will get wardrobe. Chizomofebu. Ebe belu go belu. Chizomofebu bilu kan bilu. Chizomofebu. Far away go away country. Go lay egg. Never ready to become mama. Chizomofebu. Far away country. Go lay egg. Not ready to answer mama. Chizomofebu aku dele. Chizomofebu aki jele. Biafra is my nation. Biafra is our nation. Biafra is not just for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. No, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the one that woke us up, that woke Biafra up, that woke the Igbo women up. Chizomofebu. We the Igbo women. We the Igbo Biafran women, because every child gets surname. Yoruba have Oduduwa as their surname. Hausa have Aliwa as their surname. Chizomofebu. I want you to understand that Biafra is my surname as an Igbo woman. You decide, say you don't want to wear shoe. You don't want to wear shoe, go buy new one. Still do not forget the ground that carries you there. The reason why I am calling you two out is because, of course, I know that my message will get to you. And I also know that my message will get to those that sent you. Of when you say Lola, or like Elisiwa, she's a more for Ebu, I know one is Sialogi, or no one that's Sialogi. Una Elisiwa. I think you can say, can you again? She's a more for Ebu Dele. She's a more for Ebu Dele. I'm not coming to Fana Amaka. I'm not coming to Fana Amaka. But one day was saying, give up Waka and went off to go Waka Madu. I can defend on your baby Beluko Belu. She's a more for Ebu, defend on your Belu, Bilu can Bilu. Agala Bilu Cobo Bilu. She's a more for Ebu, okay, Jana, Banito politics. Okay, Jana Bumani, Abanito politics, Gago. Okay, Jana Bumani. Okay, Jana Bumani. When a boutique and Buddha Gago. Like an Bundi Bobo, Ego Kainapa. Naya de boutique and Buddha. He decided to buy a boutique and Buddha. Or Wabulu Dani. Who is trying to a boutique and Buddha? She's a more for Baku Dele. She's a more for Baki Jele. So look at the Begundim more. So look at the Begundim more. I want you to also to understand that when you're fighting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you're not just fighting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you're fighting all the Igbo maidens. You're fighting all the Igbo women. You're fighting the land of the Igbo. I don't get to know what transpired between you and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But as long as there is life in me, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the liberator of my generation. And we must accord him that respect. Chizomofebu, you are a nobody to we the Igbo women. Chizomofebu, you guys are nobody to we the Igbo maidens. Abaluzo walembochiru. Girigiribu gweze. Muna kebu wande na chonta. Uweke ala se nokum de kukwanu. Ife wa mabange. Batu send abula job. Batu send abula jabelo be gibu mbonga abula job. Ewe belu ko belu. Chizomofebu. Biafra is a nation. Biafra is a nation. Biafra is a country of its own. Obelobe mada abebukwania. So that onaba. What abunye ndienu. Ngwango na ngungwa yochie yanya. Chizomofebu wepo ake ngwe nofa. Abuna mama gagwalogi, I know mother gagwagina. The better go see ba. Abuna mother village una gagwagina. Umadi Igbo nime gagwagina. Biafra. Oh Biafra. Onye sekwa na Biafra na mangwelisi. Ani Biafra. Etinisi onya, tinisi generation onya. Biafra na isi. Oga ime onu abu nwoke belebele agagokwa. Chizomofebu Biafra. Oife di Igbo ofu eme. We have watched you chatting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We have watched you chatting Uncle IB. Anybody that speaks truth, we go find them on a life farm. Chizomofebu, you already made yourself a bandit in Igbo land. Umuada Bindu is watching all of you.
All right, that is the message from this lady. I don't know her. So the next video will let you know something about Lasuba. Please pay attention to this video.
I'm going because these people tell them in it they are the cause of problems.
Rose.
Listen.
Rose.
Stop it.
No.
Listen, quiet.
Yes.
So, use the other side. Come and behave very well. Come and see your friend. I can make an oil, I can make an oil. So, one after the other. Because it's very easy. Only save up on this here. So, we are all one.
Yes. Oh. Bless you. But it's not when I am powder. Tomorrow. I see you. From US. Remember me? No.
If I didn't phone a call, let's did they like that, right? Like you said? No, let's face it.
What is this like the video?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
If I
This is the 7th day. The 7th day.
one by one. I couldn't have free alive.
One by one, please.
akwefuru mmadụ echekwana nọ enwere ihe ndị a na-eji wetara unu enwekwu ihe dịka nwere onwe ọ bụla n'igwe ahụ ihe efuru ọkwa dịka ha na-eje ara ụmụ nwaanyị niile efu na-ezuzu ara ọkwa konji ka ha na-agwọ ihe ahụ efuru ha na-apịgharị ya ọmụ ịmanụ ya n'ọnụ m ọ Keke ga-akọwara unu ya unu a na-anụ Keke one of the leaders like IPOB coordinator na Italo yanwa ga-akọwara unu the chain ị ga-agha n'olu onye obere oge then okwuchazie ya ịbịazie nụ from one of the women na nke ejeburu eje ọ bụrụ na nwunye gị na-eme ụmụ ihe Biafra ọda anọ efu ya si na na-eje mitin nke eje nke ọzọ aragbuo n'ihi ya unu kakwa nkụ eme ma ndị nke Lagos mọsọ ya ma ọsọ ya these people every single accusation a na-eme ndị mmadụ bụ confession ihe ha na-eme ka ha na-ekwu unu elote mgbe a sị na George onye ibe na-eji na one woman ka ihe ha ji wee bodo George datin because ama na ihe na-eme n'ime IPOB ha George onye ibe amahụ ka ahụ nwaanyị mmadụ dị nothing ma na-abịa bụ editing Keke nwanne m nwoke kọwagoduru ha ka o si eme
ya ụmụ Chineke kwikwa na o nwere m chọrọ ikwu ị ga-ahụ this particular people ihe a na-aga Finland na-aga eme ọ bụ otu ha si tụwa ọchịchị ụmụ nwaanyị ndị mmadụ ime na be anyị na Biafra land ka nga a na-azọ post a na-azọ woman leader atụwa ọchịchị DOS pụtara kwuo okwu a 2 years ago baa mba dee memo maka ya ihe a nọ na this struggle hapụ na ụmụ nwaanyị mmadụ aka ka ụmụ nwaanyị mmadụ hapụ n'aka ndị nke arụrụ ala na this struggle ihe ụnụ ma wee pịa ọkụ ka nna ụnụ ukwu ịpịa ọkụ amagharị nwa m onye nke nọ Lagos onye nke nọ ọsịrị shile ọsịrị travel ọla ihe ọ gara aga pịa ọkụ wute onye nke nọ na Lagos na-eme dalikọtọm a na-ezuzugharị chema ọwụ ihe a people na-anwụ na Biafra land people are dying for what they believe in some group adịkwa busy ọwụ ịpịa ọkụ ka ha na-apịa some of them wụ ndị ọtọ second branded autopilot a unu ga-ege ntị ka unu hụ ihe ha na-aga Finland ga na-eme just listen to her so that you can be able to know what they go to Finland to do. Ndewo ụbọchị makwara unu mma
ebube na-enwe n'iwe ebe unu nọ ebe na-enwe n'ebe unu nọ unu bịa unu na-akpasu m iwe and unu Jatwasi. If we were when we were born, even when they born, bia, not passing and don't want to name one secret. Mamba Mumbai and Finland. Ask them longer than one lodge in a Sukoso motel. We cannot come or come be a young gay. Isn't me, Jaja? Bam, check a you cannot go who nature. And the worst to part who nature, young who nature, can even a man. And the Baba make balance that even a Patamacana, he at a who Bam. The first night, when I gonna bokucha, I go away. Because when I gonna go to Finland. I guess a chance you who age Finland, where for Finland, and forget being a dog. I can even want my baby. Gamma Quog, second night, otherwise, Iberaqua. Where I can reach all my deal and a Chakogania, a Benny Chagania me. Vanga Moya came at Azale, no Kai conclude, ye, will finish you who I are. Vam. Only following the room. It is a point down. I will never following the Sugo Maha. A corner we even have Makabuto, Congregate Chicha, Sugo Kai Karia. Vama will need Danias in Bosiaka has the Unanas Yahi. Vam. Wager command the wager and restaurant, even gonna die day, €150. And I gonna about Jamie, my a bottle of my. Let's spend €150 when they check. A button no, time we know what that white kind of man who to only chamber come out with massage rago. I'm massage capan, more romantic a Muslim pool, maybe than now massage. Whatever I'm not okay. A man, only zero women, move up above a women may Atalangata, and Bongabu, Edin Daily, or when the Malachan, over a man not who he can say. Come on and walk with your Mehari. A man no when he bachi, Ntaranken Moloko water, up I listen. A people high and no when on high tension. He doesn't come on my tension down. Vam. What a police do. I won't not hold the work behavior. Oh, women then go do the work behavior. Over 130 man will be was in baby. Now we know the women in a patch. Hey, or the work behavior. Vam. If we don't produce a lenso, Bobu says a go excellent. Oh, whatever, good. Man, I believe it. Ntamanke. In a someone now way and no jabia, 1 hour and no jabia, who was saying, oh, when you now go, I put up on over 150 years and on 11 after war. Kaba make a dog be here. Vam, when you be near. Hey, it's a woman heck, like money that come on down, behave, like where will they? Imopana for 2 weeks, a gem media. When there's a time to town, and can you look? Yeah, or kiss a man. Or kiss a man. Vam. Becky pass the charm on with that night. Imopana from one hotel. As soon as I go to come on, you don't want to go on person that room where poor. Vam. Even a sim. That thing can you win you water. Number 1, we didn't spend the good doing also. Number 2, we teach you on what I'm not working. When will do get here, Master Nataka even me? Hey, oh, give me a man no way back. Imokana movies pool, Emeka Onu 11. Over 150 years and mean that Sasia. Oh, yes.
Okay, I have seen some comment here. Chine, do or whatever you call yourself. Chine, where is there your comment? You are an idiot. Okay, this is you just jump on the program. You don't know what is going on. I told us watch. I even said the Lazuba reason why you must not even trust her and why she must leave the freedom. Why she must be banned from getting close to PM. People that all of us know that are very bitter about the freedom, about Masamukan, about Simon Ekpa, are now using Lazuba to validate their claim. And some people, when they talk about that, some people they say, no, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. What? Send this woman to where she belongs. People don't listen. And you are here telling me that Kai Reporter, you like a gossip. You are an idiot. Very, very useless woman being. Shiva for is idiot. Dorian said that this thing are so discouraging to our people who sincerely want the freedom. Yes, it is. Do you understand? It is. And that's why, see, let me tell you the implication of allowing this woman to keep on moving around PM and around the Biafra movement. After seeing this, then you see her talking again about freedom and being in the midst of people who actually mean good. It goes to show that what the other ones are saying seem to be true. That's why I said, remove this woman from whatever they do, anything about freedom, just take her away. Remove her. Whoever that is good can do that, please. Let PM, let kind of sack the US from prison. So it's possible. PM should say something about her, ban her. Let her she can do whatever she wants to do on her channel. Let her not get close to anything that has to do with the PMs or whatever. DPM has done it already. DPM has done it. PM is the one to get it done. Although official. Let her go back to whoever that is paying her $3,000 or 3,000 euros. Let her remain where she is. So this is just one out of many. If you go to Facebook, people are using this video, this useless woman video, to make mockery of everything. On maybe next week now, you see Lazuba hugging up at Obi after saying this kind of thing on social media. Just think about it now. Nobody wants to associate with a useless person. There are so many things that this woman will damage if you keep on allowing her moving around. Let her not even go to Finland again. She can go to Finland and go and meet her boyfriend, because anywhere she goes, she want to do one or two things. It's up to her. Somebody was asking her in her platform, why are you don't you think that what you said is somehow damaging? She said that not because to her, she would let okay, why? They've given me okay about this kind of thing. But this video will last forever. If not, another warrior. This kind of video is enough. Make you lost your mind. Or quite the same blackmail go you should buy Obi Germany low time like in she can frame up lies and put it on you. Whether it is true or not, I don't know. But whether it is true or not, she don't need to do what she did. You understand? Forget Nana, mom. But now you cannot sue Tele. KK order. People that have questionable characters using this video to achieve whatever they want to achieve. Please, those of you, I dropped the link. Those of you that want to say something, you can join me just 1 minute, because I'm gonna wind down now very, very fast. Please, if you want to say something about what we discussed so far, the link is here. Let's hear from you. Don't see it as Kai Report drive joy in talking about her. I don't drive any joy. But not for you, Chinedu. I'm not explaining anything to you. What I said here has nothing to do with you. If you don't like what I'm doing, then you can check out. It's not a must. It's not a must that you like everything. But those people that have the brain to understand what I'm saying, they have already grabbed the message. What I'm trying to tell you is that the woman, she don't need to be here at all. She don't need to be here. They need to put her where she belongs. Very, very, very important. Very, very important. All right. Since nobody joined me, I'm going to drop I'm going to close it. Thank you so much, my people. God bless all of you. Ike Jesus. Okay. You can just make it snappy, okay, my brother. There we go. Let's hear from you.
Yeah. Thank you. My brother Kai. Honestly speaking,
I agree to my one brother.
thank you. I still stand in my word. And my word is that Dr. Ngozi has already done the needful. He remained the PM to finish the job. Now, it's ugly. It's very, very ugly. It's very, very ugly. It's very, very ugly. You see this guy called Bam Bam Bam. As far as I'm concerned, you see those people, all of them that went to the Finland for the first time, for the purpose of the declaration of Biafra, that come back, that start fighting the declaration. Kai, I'm still standing. These people must not come near this agitation. Once Obatobia is out, there's nothing to forgive.
I feel you.
There's nothing to be forgive. There's nothing to allow them. Nothing will take them close to this agitation. Nothing. 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 These people, they don't know the meaning that the people have lost life in this movement. They don't know the meaning that a family lost only one son they have in family that will represent the family. They don't know the meaning of it. They don't know the meaning that the people that have detained people and put them on the grand prison with no water, no bathing for many years for the cause of this freedom. They don't know. And our people are still losing their life today as I'm speaking to you because of this freedom. And they're joking with it. And they're playing with it. Look at the ugly statement and ugly brokers. This idiot, this stupid, this senseless, this coward, this prostitute woman. Calling Biafra. Why the thing pains me? Because this is the Finland they declare, and this is the Finland we declare Biafra, and this is the Finland our PM, Prime Minister stays. This is the Finland that are judging this man. Oh my God.
Ige Jesus, you have 1 minute, my brother, because I'm going to monitor the time very, very well.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wherever I look at them.
Don't feel hot. Relax your mind. Why? You know.
Where Bam Bam is speaking today, whether you call PM, whether you call DPM, thunder go fire them. As far as I'm concerned, Bam, wherever you are, it will not be well with you. Because you are the number one. You are the number one to make sure that don't go down. It shall not be well with you.
All of you.
They are not even all kind of one to go as more.
Yes. Are you coming to preach? You are coming to preach now peace for us? Are you mad? You are coming to tell us we are one. Are you mad? Are you stupid? Can you listen to yourself? Something must be wrong with you. Thank you, my brother. We are waiting for you.
Yeah, well, you get Jesus. Thank you. Mitch, please unmute your mic. Okay, Master Greg, unmute your mic. Can you hear me? Okay, Obi-Wan, unmute your mic.
Dalono.
There we go. Yes, we can hear you.
Yes. Greetings, all Biafrans, Mr. Kai, K. Jesus, Meche, Mr. Greg, my Ezio Ocean Master, wherever you are. Madam Origin, Yawe Megorogio, and Odogwenuku, and Oga Olushunwa God, wherever you are. Finally, but not the least, my river goddess, I appreciate you. Thank you very much for spending your time coming out here, all of you people. Mr. Kai, the only thing you have to do for us is to compile all these their fallback videos and the lies and everything that they have been saying, thinking that they are making sense. You understand? Then, because now I'm with time. Sorry, I'm on the phone call. Okay. Because I'm on whatever they are doing now is Kerifa Mapia. Damn, and I just now I chose to be to show to come into the right line, because now man hey me will make it any no. You know why I say this is today that I saw foolishness with my two naked eyes based on the guy.
Okay. Yeah.
So we had another argument today again. So kai bet yeah with a reasonable or tangible thing money I get bet. Na then obona PM see me also bet here something like somebody suggest bet here motom or say amba bet here another thing. Say na obona PM for that finish case here. Join Dr. Ngozo Arabeze. No, my belly in here for 1 month for free. How Tom? I bet Kaviti Kavat me I can okay, I bet 300. Oh, 300 rand. So when I met her, in fact, kaya pay ya. The reason why is that now I've grown to the extent that and my for not my be a stupidity, man, because now ebe madu malo cover Andrea ka on behalf of, because now shukuna kesharai care your brain that na oboni has space for a new information. That thing in believe no nyawa all and all, because now ebe your thinking pitch low, you know. So at the same time, I want to strength to start explaining to him the reason, because he never want to understand. Up phone yana kaneke nege Biafra unite. Nti NNB na see information mona give argument. Na aka Biafra unite. He's information na PM. Kota no ya join na Sam Ngozi Orabeze. But no due to this guy I got exactly what is going on, because no one know what.
If you carry better my Biafra unite the motor truck or do.
Argument and even the matter how these people behave, the guy name argument you get a name argument of something, obidi shout or they can bamba. One back age win argument. You have to state fact. When man is serious. The map time I behold when they see this is the same guy can Julia can go okay. Let us remove Ngozi Orabeze or USB from what, since you don't believe in going to Finland. Can I be sure what other suggestion do you? Because they're back no problem with them. Kelebo or any alternative that you are bringing up for us to follow.
I'm going to do a meeting.
Okay, tell me, where else do you want us to follow? Osim no we na come on ya support to Ngozi Orabeze come your onwe. So when I say so you may expect I'm with you doing nothing. Meanwhile, maybe I will just stay with you without nothing. Give all this kind of people. They don't want to make any effort. They don't want you to make an effort. When you try to make any effort, on already and castigate that effort in a make. On the paluma. Okay, I'm no mother they progress nowhere. Mistake is always
fault. Yeah, our fault one entertain.
And we have to talk. I don't know one day. Maybe you change their mind. I'm gonna feel what is that. It's our mind, the mind that they are well equipped. The mind that they are well equipped. That's why, because now
the guy cannot change the mind at all.
All you hear mega even make it change. Something needs to happen to you in your life. You will make it open a new chapter. Open I'm always a construct or human being. We always want to stay where we feel like we are comfortable until they make it a nature that comfortable place of yours. In one way key change, otherwise you cannot change. That is how it is. So what these people are just doing is that Vam is now coming down. You notice most of what he's saying now. He's not on attack mode. Or because now you're on Bobo Dr. Ngozi or Abu Fulani. Now insult everybody.
All kinds of butter from Finland.
No, what Jumbo you move Kobo na PM in the case. On the line, only guy for that na USB pushike and na mad call and then we can on answer. After quarter na Simon Ekpa, we might end up following by USB. Always when they preach peace and peace. When I say I'm opposing board their counter all the lines lies as in possible before. Now she quite you know. So even again, I'm expect to give something very, very important or how to make everything going fine. If not, why can everything be good without them submitting to the United States of Biafra, which they have no place because never had Kenya Minister of Information. They don't want to leave power. How to heal Apple power all in a space where information of the government is now passed so without that, if now how they believe that they had relevant, but if we have what I see is that now Mr. Kai in on a cabinet
No.
can on a cabinet.
No.
Exodus on a cabinet. But all of you
No.
are doing well on your media platform without the involving in cabinet. Their brain, because they could have been on themselves, at least be preaching about Biafra. Because they never expect that na USB in as much as na USB government media personnel. But then where people they willing to actually use their platform to preach the gospel of USB. They did not see that coming. So whatever they are doing now, all you have to do, that's in the second half. All you have to do is to sit back and relax. They are just looking for validation. When the nature to come and tell them to go and get their ID card. And when the nature Simon Ekpa to come and tell them to join USB. It is how little their brain is that we are able to be where we are today is because we do see ahead of them. We have seen ahead of them. We are not blind, like I said yesterday. We already know what we want and we have already defined it. I define again for this is what we want and this is how it's supposed to be. Only that they will not be part of and they will not. All I know is that they cannot be part of the government, but they are all Biafrans, no matter whatever they have done. The only thing I suggest that might happen is probably later the government can bring out and make out a law for a particular punishment for everybody that have decided to sabotage this struggle. But they will still get every right as Biafrans because we will not leave anybody behind, no matter how useless that you are. Every country is useless people. Every country were stupid people, but they don't let them. They don't leave them. Or because darkness continue shine. Darkness. There will always be darkness. The only thing that makes darkness exist is because of the absence of light. So let us show example as well. And we hear monitor and when any program now on you need to monitor what?
Yes, I have program with the barristers at 7 p.m.
Oh, okay.
So
all right.
I will drop the mic now. Thank you so much. God bless
you. May God bless United States of Biafra. Thank you.
There. Thank you so much. Master Greg, let me hear from you. Master Greg. Okay.
Yeah, Kai. Good evening.
There was a.
Our last brother is second to the class, and I cannot pick those in the room. My greetings to everybody, please. I cannot read the names, it's too tiny. Yeah, just very quick one. Now, it's our PM. I'm thanking God for this court process, thanking God for the lawyers who are fighting, thanking God for Dr. our DPM, and the man from Uganda, Dr. Masanga. May the blessings of God be upon them. We thank God as well for our leader, Master, in the name of God, bless his life. Yes, just very quick one. Bam, bam, bam. when I saw him the first time, I was looking at him, thinking the kind of man that can be. A man that have no stand. You know, human beings, this kind of people, this is how their life is. In everything, they have no stand. You cannot have, if you trust him for anything, you are your own. And any man that cannot take stand is not a man. Any man that have not sound judgment is not a man. So, yes, it's good to forgive. Nobody's saying not to forgive. We can forgive him. I advocate for the forgiveness for him, but I never allow him to hold any position or any important position, even in any organization that he is, that he involved, not only Biafra, or merit here. I'm telling you, or merit here at all. Let him be forgiven. He's a brother. We don't advocate for anything to happen to him, just as junior brother or senior brother. But for him to hold any position that is important, that should be forbidden. That is what I can say about him, because he's more than a chameleon. And you are telling people you are preaching for oneness, and at the same time you're telling can pretend to do anything as long as you get that particular thing. And you think that the person you are talking to are doomed. It shows you're telling me they don't trust me because I'm saying this. So we can always reason we are not idiots or fools. So that is the side of it. Then I think if I say let anything that like I don't know, and the woman and this woman Nigerian, may God never give me such person as a relation as a woman. May God never give me such person in my relation as a woman, even as a man. I'm telling you, because Hannah had more than you can use your hand and carry shit than carrying or relating yourself to this kind of people. So for you to know how, I don't know how I don't know what I can use to describe them. Yes, this is the paint. The woman is painting Biafra. Yeah. So somebody can use to sort anybody, sort you as a Biafran, sort you as our PM. She never bring anything pride into what we are doing. She have nothing to contribute, rather to gain. And that is one of the wisdom I congratulate Dr. Ngozi Rebeza and the cabinet for not, I continue to say it, to bringing people into information minister to be in the cabinet, to people into media to be in the cabinet. He must not. So I like that, honestly. The media should be independent, even if the government have media, but it's not to sit in the cabinet. They can be given information. No media is sitting, have minister of information, but not somebody who read news or analyze news to come and sit in the cabinet of any governor or any president. That is not good enough. If you want to appoint that person as a minister of one person as a minister of information, that is enough. But not each African they withdraw that place. Hannah cause nuisance everywhere. So that is one of the things that the most of the cabinet did that is wonderful. And he's telling us that this guy, Ifani, is not denying what he did. Even in Finland, Ifani told me that when I was discussing with him, when I was asking him some questions, he said, even this one is talking with me, before you know it, a PM will send for him. That before he did it, we always ask him that I want to confirm from him. So I don't know how he became the person that PM have to hear or confirm something in Finland before he can take decisions. So that is the level they bring the self. So, but the point there is, this is so sometimes people will talk without weighing the word. When he was making all those statements, he don't know what it meant or the level or the weight of what he was saying. But he was saying it being proud because of the doing Karagara with the this United Biafra. So everybody is claiming without me nothing can happen. And I hate it in a human being. Without me as a person, somebody can be talking this one and talking with you now. So nobody should say without me nothing will happen. It's not true. If God did not raise PM, God will still raise somebody. If he really want Biafra to come. If he did not raise Maz Nanikan, God will still raise people in Biafra and Igbo land to make sure that Biafra come. So nobody should say without me. It's only God who can say without God. So that is only people taking pride or taking position without me. Without you, God can raise anybody. God will raise what do you call it? This guy, not Bigate, David Bigate, when he was the richest man. You know that today Alimonks will be the richest. Maybe in the next 2 years, you will have somebody who give his Alimonks that again. So God raise any person when he wants. So that is the situation. So it's only God that raise person at any point in time that he wants. That's what I want dear friends to understand. So thank you, my brother, and continue with your good work. God bless you.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you, and I appreciate you. You manage the time very, very well. Meche, unmute your mic. Meche Ganero, I'm going to mute the mic and the mute.
Okay, so Sakai, sorry.
No.
Sorry, good afternoon for me for here. Because this your program today is very, very awesome. The matter is not past that this very woman that you played her program on your platform today was the same program she made that she explains the reason why he has issue with Vam, and as I'm seeing the program, the woman is not even feeling ashamed of herself, bringing that very issue to her platform. Even that day, the people who are commenting on that very program was telling her, accusing her of telling her that so that is what they are doing in Finland also. He was like bombarded that person. Am I not up to that? Am I not up to do what am I not up to the age to do what I want to do? Like feeling not even feeling ashamed of
herself.
That very herself. I was like, this freedom now has turned into this self.
No, this one has nothing to do with freedom. Or this is who she is.
If you go to Finland now, you will be looking for another thing more than the thing you went to Finland. So, not that people who are fighting for the freedom genuinely are not here, but he's trying to confuse those who are gullible, not the real ones. She can't confuse people like me, people like others who are genuine, because anybody who have the right senses and who have conscience knows that such a person, even himself, he has come out on her program one time and made it publicly that he's no more fighting for Biafra, that he's no starting from that time that he's no more going to be talking. Yes, he's no. She's no more going to be talking
Civil
about
sabotage.
Biafra. So it's not new. But only those who have shallow mind will continue to be following her, claiming that they are fighting for freedom. But whenever PM come out, everybody will know that the the deed have been done, and nobody can do anything about it, because we are not going back. We are going front. Nobody will try to go back again. We know the thing that is happening. So there's no much thing to be lamenting all the time, because the woman is pursuing his ulterior motive, not freedom. That's the thing. Thank you.
There, well, thank you so much, Mesha. God bless you. We have Dorin in the building. Let's hear from you, man. I'm with your man.
Okay, can report. Good morning, and good morning, everybody in the house.
You're welcome.
Thank God, something took me away from joining in the studio, because I was so angry when you were playing that virtual man video, and how they're making a caricature of this whole thing, but what kind of pleased me is when he said the second-handed, I think it's the way he put it, second-handed autopilot, because he knew that all these individuals came from IPOB organization. Oh, check all of them. They came from there. They are counterfeit. They came from there, and they carried their problem, their trying to find a bad, good-looking word to qualify these human beings. I don't know if I should call them human beings, but since they have a head, hand, and feet, I guess I should call them that. Because it's so ridiculous. I don't have patience for others. I thank God that I can, nothing will put me in that position where Dr. Ngozo Rabeze is, because I don't have that patience. I don't have that patience. That is why we all keep saying it. Cancer is not treated. You cut it off. This is part of it. Because when you get cancer, there are two things they do. They check it and see how harmful it is. If it's something that is just starting, they cut it off. If it's something that has grown, they start killing it also through chemotherapy to get rid of it. If you don't, what happens? It spreads. And this cancer, Lazuba, is spreading. Now, it has gotten to the point that her members, DOS, because that's where she belonged, and then their member, Virtual Udele, they're all using it now to make a caricature. But I'm happy. One thing with that guy, he puts it very well, that second-handed IPOB autopilot people, second-handed. And that's what they are, all of them that are contributing these news acts. Chemotherapy, we use it to deal with cancer. It has to be treated. It has to be dealt with. If you don't, it will spread and damage the whole body. And that is what this woman has done. Her here is, since Mazen Namdekalo will not bring this Biafra, she will damage it. She's not even there for Simon Ekpa. She's not there. That she will damage it, and that's what she is doing. She's there to do absolutely nothing than to damage this freedom that souls has gone, life has gone. It hurts so bad. It hurts so freaking bad. I watched Aloy Ejimakors handle. A woman was discovered, an Igbo woman, somewhere in Niger. She has been there for 5 years because of Biafra issue. They took her out. She has no contact with the family. And we're here joking. They can write petition, they can do anything, but I hope I will have opportunity. This got to stop. When I have that opportunity, I will talk about it. They need to ban this woman from, she needs to pack her things and go back to France where she belongs. I don't know what she's doing in Finland. Those who paid her, they are really sponsoring her to be there. Don't mind just what she's doing. She's giving them the information they need. That she will not bring it to social media. I've been crying and screaming about this. Somebody gave her 1,500 euros. My brothers, with the hardship in Nigeria now, you hardly see somebody that can afford such amount of money, if not all these hooligans Nigerians. Within 24 hours, another 1,000 euros, euro is bigger than dollars, was sent to her. She is still there. Who is sponsoring her? What is the government doing? Can they write petition to Finland to send her out? Or ban her from, we need to protect the PM from these demonic individuals. Very, very demonic. It's so clear that she is demon. Very, very clear. She's demonic. She's working for people. She has sacrificed herself. She has sacrificed her life. Her life is worthless, because that's what happens to all these Ashawo people. When they sit down, they think back, and then they remember their past. They are depressed. And that's what is happening with what's that woman from Italy. All these human beings, you see them, Italy, France, that's where they ended up. That's where their Ashawones led them. So they are very, very demonic. Very, very demonic. So when they look back, they think that they've lost it all. What are they alive for? So they're trying to look for whom to destroy. But they will destroy themselves. Thank you so much.
God bless you, ma. God bless you. God bless you. And just our own humble opinion, we just appeal to people that that have the power to see what they can do about the woman. Because honestly, watching people mocking their friends on Igbo because of this woman is annoying. It's annoying. I'm not gonna lie.
That's why I said any opportunity. I spoke with you. Any opportunity now that I have, I will not cease to bring it up. I will. I will bring it up.
Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, my people. Remember, Barrister will be here later at 7 p.m. So join me that time. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Greg, and thank you, Ike Jesus. Thank you, Meche and Dorin, all of you, and people on the comment section. God bless you. See you again. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Day one.
Thank you.
Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to.
It's the time where every media handle supposed to focus and spread the good news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile, that Biafra now is a nation, that the world should recognize that Biafra nation. Remember, once a nation is being declared from exile, it is no longer a government in exile. Every Lazar office automatically turned to embassy. This time that we have, this festival time, is a time to spread the news that Biafra is no longer a government in exile. Biafra now is a nation in Biafra land. So therefore, anybody still hanging on the platform of government in exile should exist from there. It is no longer government in exile because it has been declared. It is a nation, the United States of Biafra nation. We are here